Welcome to another YouTube video, Internet Land. Today is a very special day. You might wonder why I am squatting in the camera frame and why I have this very small hammer, which is extra threatening, and this staple remover, which is not quite as threatening. It is because of that right there. In case you're wondering what it is a pre-1900s chaise lounge. I have always wanted a chaise lounge, but they are very expensive. And I went to an antique market on the weekend and I bought this one for $20. $20. Why was it $20, you might ask? Because it's disgusting is the question. It is disgusting. The fabric is completely fucked, and I'm pretty sure someone's been peeing on it. Whether that someone is a person or a cat or some form of animal, I do not know. But I will tell you that it strongly smells like pee and it has many stains on it. So I figured, you know what, for 20 bucks, this is my chance for me to try my hand at reupholstering something, which I've never done before. And I thought you guys might want to come along for the ride and watch me do it. Whether I completely fuck up this chaise lounge or whether I end up with a really great piece of furniture remains to be seen. So anyway, first step is I'm going to rip off all the fabric and then understand how much fabric I have to buy, and then I'm going to go buy it. So here is a close-up of how beautiful this is before I get started. Can you see the pee stains? Can you see all the pee stains? Even up here, there's like so many disgusting stains. And you are probably glad right now that YouTube does not have a smell function, because this thing smells to high fucking heaven. So here's the legs. It's actually quite pretty. It just needs a lot of love. And I'm gonna give it that love, hopefully. Oh good, the staples are rusted from the pee. It's my favorite part. I'm back. It's the next day. Clearly I didn't get it done, but I now have a mini hammer, the staple remover, and a screwdriver, because shit got serious, that's why. So here we go. Hopefully gonna finish it today. I did it. It was a lot. You did not defeat me, you fucking pee-pee bench. It's been nicknamed the pee-pee bench, by the way, because it smells like pee. So I'm about to check out the foam and see how that is, see how gross it is. I probably need to replace it. And I gotta go buy some fabric. Okay, so I've just peeled the fabric away and investigated the foam, and it's fucking disgusting. It's revolting. Let me show you this. Please notice the large amount of pee-pee stains, which is why I am nicknaming it the pee-pee bench. And the foam isn't as bad, but it's still super gross. You can see the pee marks, so I'm gonna go buy some new foam, and then we'll get started. It's also growing mold. That is most definitely mold, and like, God knows how many years of dust, and I think that's cat hair. It's probably cat hair, because it definitely smells like cat pee. Anyways, all this revoltingness is about to go away. Welcome to me awkwardly crouching in the frame again. I'm about to cut out new fabric, so I have this disgusting fabric laying on top of this beautiful black upholstery velvet that I just bought. So it's about to become black velvet. So I'm going to cut out a new piece and then immediately throw this out because it's fucking gross. So here we go. Okay, we're done. This is going away. This is going straight to hell because it's disgusting. I've never reupholstered anything before, like I said, so I don't know. I think maybe I should like serge this just in case to stop the edges from running. I don't know. Welcome to the sewing machine. I'm going to serge this, and then I'm going to put a hem around it just because I'm a seamstress and that's what I do, and it makes me uncomfortable not to do it, so done. Seams. Gonna go staple some shit. Okay, so I've got it laid out, the foam, everything here on the fabric. So I'm just going to fold this up and start stapling it. I found a kind of rusty staple gun, and I can't get it open because it's rusted shut, so I'm going to use whatever staples are left in here and then probably go buy a new staple gun. So here we go. Guess that's that. Got to go buy a new staple gun, and I'm actually going to flip this over and take the wheels off of it because I think 3 out of 4 of them are broken anyways. All right, I'm back. Apparently at the fabric store near my work, they sell $7 plastic staple guns. Yay! Which is probably awful, but hopefully it will let me finish this. Also, I put on a sweater because I'm fucking cold. So here we go. All right, I feel good about this so far. Like, Did a pretty good job. It's nice and smooth. Corners look pretty good. So now I'm gonna do the hard part, which is the back of the stupid thing. All right, welcome to the part of the video where I try to get the goddamn casters off. This is the only one that's actually working. Ha! 1, 3 more to go. So I now have these. I'm gonna go try to buy some replacement casters. Okay, welcome to the next part. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is gonna be the hard part. I know it is. I don't know. I got all sorts of stuff here. I got my staple gun. I got a screwdriver and a tiny hammer. I've got the material here and the foam. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see how much this pisses me off, or if I fail entirely and fuck it up and don't finish it. We'll see. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Oh my god. I've done it here, up to here on one side. My hand is super sore already. Next side, let's do this. Okay, I've done up to here on both sides. I'm going to show you, it looks like shit, and then we're going to continue around the corner. Okay, so here's what we got so far. It looks like nothing, but I stapled all the way up the edge very badly and wrinkly, but we're going to cover that with trim, so hopefully it won't matter. It's looking pretty smooth so far. I'm excited. And now I got to tackle this rounded part, which I do not look forward to. All right, I'm attempting it. Here comes the corner. I feel like this is going to be terrible. I've got it done to here. Jesus, upholstery is a lot of work. I'm going to flip the bitch and then do some more work on the underside. Okay, I flipped the bench. Here we go. I'm going to staple along here and then bring this all up here. And then we move on to trim. Okay, so here's what I did. It kind of looks like shit, but that's okay. Got some staples there. Did all the back underneath here. That's dark as shit, but anyway. I'm going to put trim on this, and then hopefully it will look a lot more beautiful. Okay, I'm back. I have a measuring tape. I have this beautiful trim. Can you see how beautiful that is? Beautiful trim. I've got some upholstery nails here. Upholstery nails. I wanted silver. They didn't have any, so we got brass, so like whatever. But like, there's enough gold shit in my house. It should be fine. Okay, so I've got this upside down. I'm going to start here, flip it over, go all the way around, and then come back. Welcome to the next day. Obviously, my hair's up and my outfit's changed. I ran out of upholstery tacks. I was going along my merry way, and I was hoping to get it done yesterday, and I ran out of these. So I had to go buy more. So let me show you what I got accomplished yesterday, and then we're going to finish it off. All right, so here's so far. You can still see some of the staples, but it's not too bad. There it is. Thing still isn't in it. Went all the way along to exactly the halfway point at the bottom. So I got to continue the trim all the way up the other side and around, and then hopefully this fucker will be done. Let's go. All right, it's done, you guys. Jesus Christ. Let me show you. All right, this is the upside downy part of it anyways, but like, got all the tacks in. It's not totally perfect, but I don't give a fuck at this point. I think it looks beautiful. Well, you guys, it's done, it's done, it's done. Thank fucking God it's done. It's got some small problems. Don't even care. I think for my first attempt at upholstery, it went pretty goddamn good. And you know what I learned? I learned that doing upholstery in a corset is fucking hard. How did those Victorian women upholsterers do it? I do not know. What I know is that it fucking sucks crawling around the floor and like hammering and bending in this bitch. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a break on my new beautiful Victorian fainting sofa. Oh, the pain of it all. I can't take it anymore. Bring me my laudanum. I can't go on. So there you have it. Me recovering an antique sofa, which unfortunately now is forever known as the pee-pee bench. This entire process, we were calling it the pee-pee bench as a joke, and the name kind of stuck, so it's me and the pee-pee bench. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. And you know what? For my first attempt at upholstery, I think I did pretty damn good. It's not perfect by any means, but I also am not a professional upholsterer, so like, I'm happy with it. For 20 bucks, it certainly looks better than it did. That's all I can tell you. So if you liked this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up, that would be awesome. Maybe I'll do more upholstery in the future. I don't know, probably not. I kind of hated it, but like, I always say that. I say I'm never going to do it again, and then I do it again when I find the next great thing. So that might be a thing, who knows. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be great. Maybe watch me do more upholstery after I swear that I won't. That also might be a thing. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm under Madame_Absinthe on Instagram, where you can see pictures of this fabulous post-apocalyptic outfit. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I post like in-progress pictures of shit like this that I'm working on. Also my face, and also weird stuff that happens to me. So yeah, Twitter's the place for that. If you want to ring the bell, you can get notifications for when I put up new videos. Maybe more upholstery. Probably not, but maybe. And that's it. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, follow me on all the things. And I'm just going to take a nap on this pee-pee bench, and we'll see all of you later.